Hi everyone, my name's Sauce, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Finalmouse Medium. I've already done an unboxing on my channel of the Finalmouse Starlight 12 in the small size, and so now I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the medium. Both of them are the Achilles edition. I'll also be doing a bit of a button test, a sound test, and I'm also going to be doing a comparison of shape, size, and sound to the Glorious Model O, which has a fairly similar shape, and they both have Omron 12 switches. I'll also be doing a sound comparison between the Starlight 12 Small, as there is a little bit of one. So in the box, same with the Finalmouse Small, you get the mouse itself, you get the puck, which is your wireless receiver. Underneath, there's a piece of plastic. Under said plastic, which is definitely easy to get out, you have their low-quality cable, which is all right, an owner's manual, and a card that says, "Congratulations, you have this mouse." So, yep, that is everything that comes in the box. Nothing particularly special here. So I'm just going to move that all aside, along with the puck. So we'll now take a look at the mouse itself and compare the size and shape to the Starlight 12 Small. So in a direct comparison, they're pretty similar in terms of their profile. Sorry, I have the mouse grips on. In terms of height, they're pretty similar. The top of the hump, just a titch taller. Yeah, just a titch taller. In terms of the width, honestly, yeah, it's just a titch wider. This is pretty similar in size and shape to the Glorious Model O minus. The Glorious Model O regular is actually a pretty good size and shape comparison. Glorious Model O is just a little bit longer in all dimensions. And then in terms of height, Glorious Model O also is a little bit taller. And width, the grip width is definitely smaller on the Finalmouse. Moving on, let's do a bit of a sound test. Okay, so I'm up close. I'm going to check for pre-travel and post-travel. Just the slightest bit of pre-travel, a little bit of post-travel, almost no pre-travel, a little bit of post-travel, side buttons, almost no pre-travel, fair bit of post. Also pretty snappy, actually. I really like those. And the middle mouse feels really nice. DPI switch feels all right. So now I'm going to do a direct comparison between the Finalmouse Starlight 12 Small and Large. And honestly, they do feel completely different, the switches. So mouse 1. Mouse 2. Mouse 2. Scroll down. Middle mouse. Scroll down. Middle mouse. Side buttons. DPI. So other first impressions are that the buttons honestly feel much lighter on the medium. I am not really sure why that is. Like, even out of the box, the buttons felt especially heavy on the small, and they still even feel much heavier. And I'm not really sure why that is. They even sound more similar the glorious Model O clicks. Like if you listen to that. The Omron 20Ms sound almost identical between these two mice, where they sound much heavier, even though it's the same buttons. And yeah, in terms of build quality, it feels way more solid than the small, which I think you can hear right here. A little bit of a creaking, and then as well, not pressing down the button, but there is a little bit of a click just touching it. This feels way more solid, but at the same time, it's not been used yet. So I guess we'll see how it fares after a little while. But that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Finalmouse Starlight 12 medium. Oh, actually, I forgot. Wobble. Little bit of key wobble. Just a little bit of wobble, but nothing substantial. And bottom is actually way less flexy on this. I wouldn't put too much force on it, but it feels less flexy than the bottom on... Yeah, no, I don't trust the bottom on the small, but the bottom on this actually isn't too bad. Like, really surprised. Feet are identical. USB, micro USB, yeah, everything looks good. And that's it for today. Cheers, guys.